two news stories for you. Firstly, I have an update for you about humanitarian understanding which was reached between Ethiopian government and Tigray regional government. Is there any improvement in the delivery of aid to Tigray, or is Tigray still under a blockade? We have some updates for you. Secondly, in the previous video, I told you about a strike on Mekelle, which was a drone strike. It happened several hours ago. Then we saw some other reports. Now, fresh reports indicate that another airstrike has been conducted on Mekelle today. This is the second drone strike on Mekelle in around 10 hours. Who is the target? What is the target of these drone strikes? The two which were connected today, viewers. Firstly, let me have a look at humanitarian situation. I told you that there had been an unofficial understanding reached between Tigray and Ethiopian government that Tigray will receive aid unhindered, and the areas under TDF will receive aid from Kambolcha, Dassi airports. What happened after this unofficial understanding? Well, Tigray is still under a siege. One convoy of 40 trucks is on its way. It is still in Afar. This convoy left for Mekelle when the understanding was reached almost a week ago. So far, the convoy has not reached Mekelle. It has only 40 trucks, viewers. And in Tigray, 100 trucks are needed on daily basis. Around 300 trucks are still being held in Samra, Afar. We have got confirmation. These trucks are not being allowed to travel towards Tigray. So we can say that so far there is no improvement in the delivery of aid to Tigray. Apart from Tigray, Afar and Amhara are hit by worsening humanitarian disaster as well. I shared a video from Afar 2 days ago. Same is the case in Amhara region, because people are suffering. There seems to be no immediate solution to this armed conflict. Humanitarian understanding reached is not working as well. People will keep on suffering if there is no intervention. People in Tigray, in Amhara, in Afar, they are facing this crisis. So far, no solution, viewers. Secondly, in the previous video, I told you about a strike on Mekelle, which we have learned was a drone strike. It happened around midnight, the night between Sunday and Monday. The target of the first drone strike was a place in Mekelle called Diaspora. This place is around 3 to 4 kilometers away from a place which was targeted on Saturday, last Saturday, if you remember. Last Saturday, a drone strike was carried out on a place called Dagim Amsal. Dagim Amsal is just 3 to 4 kilometers away from this place, Diaspora, which was hit today. According to Tigray government, a target was civilian target, and though no civilians have been killed, luckily, but some residential places, buildings have been damaged, and some civilians have been wounded, but no casualties so far, according to Tigray government. Immediately after that, a few hours ago, we heard of another drone attack on Mekelle. The target of the second drone attack is not clear. Reportedly, ambulances and fire brigade vehicles are on their way towards the second site of drone attack. Now, important question which I want to ask is, what is the target of these drone strikes? who are being targeted? Civilians, TPLF leaders, TDF military assets. What is the target? Uh, you must have noticed, viewers, that now drone strikes are being conducted, not airstrikes. For almost 10 days, no airstrike has been carried out on Mekelle. The 3 strikes which we have confirmed so far were drone strikes. And most of these strikes, experts say, are precise strikes. Target is TPLF leadership, TDF channels, TDF military command, TPLF leadership is being targeted. So definitely they'll be residing in some residential areas. So civilians are in danger too, because of course these military officers, TPLF leadership, you cannot isolate them. They're part of the community as well. So if they are being hit, civilians could be hit as well. But what we have learned so far is the target of these drone strikes is Tigray's leadership, both political and military. So far, Ethiopian government has not claimed that it has killed any TPLF leader or TDF general in Mekelle so far. They have made some claims about Bati and Kamise, that there are some 12 top TDF commanders have been killed, but so far no claims about drone strikes. Who was killed in the 3 drone strikes so far? We have not seen any official statement from Ethiopian government, but most sources are confirming that now Ethiopian government is using its high quality newly purchased drones, Wing Long 1 and Turkish TB2 drones are being used. Drone strikes are being conducted on Oromia Special Zone and North Shua Zone of Amhara region, where heavy fighting is going on in several locations. But when a drone strike is carried out on Mekelle, it means Ethiopian Air Force is trying to hit a specific target on the ground, which could be a high value human target too. So far, Ethiopian government has not issued any statement about today's 2 drone strikes. In coming videos, we'll try to update you about second drone strike. What was the target on the ground of the second drone strike? Thanks for watching.